Welcome back to the clock shop. This is Jim with JRCLOCKER on eBay. Let's see what happened at the clock shop this week.
Getting ready to show you my next project, and it just came into the shop. It's a customer's clock, but I don't understand how this kept running. It's so soaked with oil, it's like leaking on my hands. But anyway, the gentleman had it so-called repaired 6 years ago. 6 years ago. And I don't care what, this was not repaired, and this is more than 6 years worth of look at those. Can you see them? And then look at that, this one. He said it just stopped running, but holy moly, it's an Ingraham. So this is my next video project. It's gonna need a lot. And it's a little bit different. I do a lot of Seth Thomas. This time we're going to do an Ingraham. It's a calendar clock. Here's a little calendar wheel right here. And it's a nice, pretty cool clock. So this is going to be probably my project. This will probably be done late January. Okay. Just a quick little shorty. Please subscribe. Please, if you like the idea of doing an Ingraham, please like the video. And I'll have more updates about when exactly we're going to be, this one will be ready. We are in the middle of my Seth Thomas 89C. And this will be next. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.